First, we will show you new schemes, starting with the numeric one. The numeric scheme allows you to define whether zeros are added to the beginning of your callouts and define the length of callouts. We will set this style as, and you can also specify numbering steps. We have now set the style as default and will create several callouts. Here you can see the numbering step. Now, if you remove some callouts, you can also easily renumber them. You just click on any of the callouts and choose Renumber, selected from the context menu. Another new feature is postfixes and prefixes you can add to your callouts. As required by some standards like S1000D, you can encapsulate the callout's value. If this is on, it limits the selected area of the callout to the main text of the callout, so without prefix or postfix. Now let's also see how the alpha scheme works. Here you can choose between upper and lowercase, and you can also exclude some letters if this is required by your standard. So for instance, you can exclude O and I if you use S1000D. The alpha scheme supports renumbering prefixes and postfixes just in the same way as the numeric scheme.